All right, boys and girls, I got cut off there in the middle of question 16, so I'm going to start question 16 over. 16, which two events on the timeline are closest in time to each other? A, Indus River Valley civilization begins and Indus River Valley and Mesopotamia begin trade. B, Aryan tribes invade the Indus River Valley and Hatshepsut becomes the first female pharaoh of Egypt. C, death of the boy pharaoh Tutankhamun and Rome's emperor Hadrian visits Egypt. Or is it letter D, the invention of papyrus for writing and Indus River Valley civilization and Mesopotamia begin trade? Number 17. What interval was used on the timeline above? A, 3,000 years, B, 100 years, C, 1,000 years, or D, 500 years. Number 18. How many years are there in a decade? A, 10 years, B, 100 years, C, 1,000 years, or D, 50 years. Number 19. Which set of years would represent the 18th century? A, 2001 to 2100, B, 1901 to 2000, C, 1801 to 1900, or D, 1701 to 1800. Number 20. What date is used instead of 0 on a timeline? A, 1 BC, B, AD 1, C, 10, D, 0 AD. (21) What is the purpose of multi-tiered timelines? A, to make timelines fun, B, to show events from different time periods, C, to show events happening at the same time in different places, or D, to make it difficult to understand world events. Number 22. Which of the following is a true statement about multi-tiered timelines? A, on a multi-tiered timelines, or on, I should say, A, on multi-tiered timelines, all tiers or levels must begin and end with the same dates. B, all tiers on multi-tiered timelines must use the same interval and span. C, each tier on multi-tiered timelines has different events and is labeled to match the events, but otherwise are the same. Or D, all of these statements are true. 23. Which set of dates is correctly arranged in chronological order? A, 2500 BC, 1800 BC, 1450 BC, 930 BC. B, 950 BC, 1200 BC, 1670 BC, 1900 BC. C, 1482 BC, 780 BC, 639 BC, 1500 BC. Or is it letter D, 1 BC, 10 BC, 100 BC, 1000 BC? Use this timeline to answer questions 24 through 26. 24. Which of these events happened earliest? A. Charlemagne becomes emperor. B. The first shogun rules Japan. C. Gregory the Great becomes pope. Or D. The Tang Dynasty ends in China. What is the most recent event on the timeline above? A. Buddhism. All right, I'm going to start 25 over again.